Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Welcome to the first video of financial management package for seafarers. Guys, I have myself been a seafarer and I have sailed with a lot of seafarers, those who have met disasters while sailing on board ship. मैं बहुत सारे लोगों से बात करता हूँ when they are sailing, अरे shore job is better, getting so much good salaries and XYZ. But there is one thing that we forget, and that is that we start earning early very good amount. Say at the age of 22, somebody is earning $3,000, $3,500 a month, which is a very good amount, which does not happen on shore. And for the first 10 years of your life, your growth is very good. But what do we do in that growth? We spend on expenses which are not needed. We do not invest our money, and that is where disasters happen. So one thing is, people like me, we earn good, but we do not invest well. We are not sensible enough to do that. Nobody teaches us that, and that is why this package is important. I have myself been a financial disaster as a mariner. To be very honest, my financial journey is just 6 months old. So whatever I say in this video, take it with a pinch of salt. The idea is to create that interest or fear so that you start learning. If you really are interested in learning as a seafarer, because nobody is there to guide us, join my WhatsApp channel. The link is in description box, where honest, trustworthy people hopefully will be guiding you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. And second is, also I've seen a lot of seafarers, very seniors, masters, chief engineers, sailing not because just for fun, but actually sailing because they did not have money. They lost it because of bad investments, a bad partner, a partner who cheated, a son who went wrong and he had invested, a father had invested all his money on his son, his education, sending him to US, and he did not do well, and now he's selling. तो बहुत सारे खराब investments होते हैं. So guys, just putting it out here, if you will see salary on ship, say as a young deck cadet or a cadet, you start at a $500 salary. In the next 12 years, you are earning minimum $10,000 a month as a captain on a bulk carrier. If you are on tankers, तो शायद 36 हो जाए, and you are earning on $14,000, $16,000 a month, right? So initially the graph is like this, but the moment you become a captain or chief engineer, the salary becomes stagnant. आपके खर्चे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, your expenses have increased, your children are growing up, their expenses have increased, everything is going up. You have aging parents, you have to take care of them, but your salary is constant, right? In terms of dollars, the only thing that is keeping seafarers alive is that the rate of dollars is going up. Otherwise, Jai Mata Di. I still remember when I started my sailing, at that time dollars rate was 40 rupees, and today it is 89 rupees the day I am making this video. So that is one thing. Second thing, when you compare this same thing, salary on shore, you start early, but your salary is very less. But with the time, what happens? You build your skill set, you switch job, you get increment, you do this, you do that, but your salaries keep increasing. Somebody has done BTech, then he goes for MBA, then he goes for extra masters, so your salary keeps increasing. So salary ka growth ऐसे चलता रहता है. So in long term, these guys benefit because they learned investment when they were having less money. On the other hand, we earned good money, but since we did not invest it well, we did not know what is investment, and we were immature till this age. So what happened is, the most crucial time of earning money and investing well was screwed. Okay, so please, that is why this package is important. I sail with a lot of young fourth engineers, third officers, young guys. They want to quit sailing, but they cannot. You know why? Because they are stuck. Somebody is stuck with, अरे मैंने सर EMI शुरू कर दी है. Somebody is stuck, I have bought a costly flat. Somebody is stuck thinking, अरे बहन की शादी करनी है. So there are a lot of reasons why people get stuck. Somebody has bought a very expensive car. Audi ले लिया यार, ले भाई दिखाने के लोगों को. किसी ने 1 करोड़ का फ्लैट नहीं, 2 crore flat has been taken on EMIs. So guys, one important thing that you have to understand, that is, we should aim for becoming financially free by the age of 40. Financially freedom का मतलब ये नहीं है कि that you stop sailing और अब मौज करनी है, don't have to do anything. Financial freedom means that you are not working for earning money for the sake of family in pressure expenses. Like when I started sailing, the challenge was कि भैया कर्जे उतारने हैं, पापा की डेट्स उतारनी है, आप समझे मेरी बात, बहन की शादी करनी है, and there were other expenses as well lined up, right? So I could not do that. And now when I am 40 today, I have aging father, I have my children growing up. Okay, घर का लोन उतर गया है, yes, that has been taken care of, but still I am not financially free. Financially free means कि today my expenses are rising. Okay? But my assets, that is, say I've got a property which is giving me rent. Say I have got a FD done which is giving me interest. Say I have invested in mutual funds that is giving me dividends. Say I have invested in stocks that is giving me dividends. Say I have bought gold, उसका rate बढ़ रहा है. So my expenses have increased, but the investment that I made, which the money, the profits that I'm getting from there, they are covering these assets. मतलब these liabilities, they are covering. So my expenses are always covered because of the investments, the profits that I'm making from my investments. So that means I am financially free. अब आप पैसों के लिए काम नहीं कर रहे, आप अपने लिए काम कर रहे हो on your own terms. When such things happen, when you work on your own terms, you don't lose sleep. And suppose any good opportunity comes, you grab that. Now suppose you find a very good opportunity, a very good land bank someplace, and you know that this land if I buy, it will give me great dividends in the future. But you cannot buy because you don't have funds. Why? Because 2 years back somebody told you, "Arey flat le le, kaam aayega tere," and you bought that flat, you gave all your money there, and now bank loan is also there. Jai Mata Di, done. So please guys, that is why this package is important to become a financial free. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.